Hey everyone, it's Val here, and today's video is another Cooking with Val. I'm really excited because I love making Cooking with Val videos, and I know they're a little more spaced out, but that's because I'm not going to I won't be uploading a Cooking with Val video every single week, but they will go out for sure on Wednesdays. So whenever a Cooking with Val video does come out, it's going to be on a Wednesday. Always a Wednesday. So just remember that, okay? So let me show you the ingredients of what we're going to be using today. So we have 3 ingredients, and they're all from Trader Joe's. Now, if you have a Trader Joe's anywhere by you, or and if you've had their samples, I'm not sure if they've had the samples of the mini sliders with all of this, but my mom and I had a sample of this a week or 2 ago, and sorry, I have a little bit of a cough, but so we had a sample of this about a little bit ago, and I really I thought about it, and I was like, you know what, I think this would make a really good Cooking with Val video. So with that being said, I am going to be making some pulled beef brisket sliders, mini sliders, and so not all of them are going to have coleslaw, but I do have some coleslaw, the mini buns with sesame seeds, and then the pulled beef brisket and smoky barbecue sauce. So those are my 3 ingredients. It shouldn't take me too long to make this, because the instructions to heat the brisket it's microwave instructions. It has the microwave heating instructions, and what we have to do is empty the product from sealed pouch into microwavable tray that is provided. Cover with paper towel and microwave on high for 2 minutes. Stir contents and microwave covered for 30 more seconds, and then let stand for 30 seconds. The time may vary depending on microwave oven. So I'm not sure about my microwave oven, to be honest with you. But so that is what I have to do. This is a fairly easy video in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get started with this Cooking with Val. Okay, so the first step is to open this, and so that was that easy to open. Then the second step is to pretty much just to take all of the contents out of this and then pour it in. So with some scissors, I'm just going to cut it open. Actually, not with these scissors. I'll use another pair of scissors. With these scissors, I'm going to put them in, or cut it open. And then I'm just going to pour the contents, like it said, into this microwave heating thing. If it's microwavable. So it says to open empty product, okay, into microwavable tray provided. We're just gonna go ahead and squeeze it all out. Oh, come on. Did I really not open it that great? What's that? Okay. I have to open it again because I guess it didn't cut open that well. Okay, now it should be able to open better. Or it should be able to pour out better. Okay. So. No. No, Coda. This isn't for you. My dog, I'm pretty sure, smelled the frickin' beef and decided that let's go over to Val and see what she's cooking. But I'm like, nope, sorry. Uh-oh. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. You know, I should start wearing an apron for these videos because I don't want to get my clothes all messy. Okay, I got some barbecue on. Luckily it's a black dress, but let me go ahead and find an apron because I don't want to get anything messed up. So this is the apron that I've decided to put on. It's from San Francisco, my favorite city that maybe one day I'll move to. But yeah, so I'm put on the apron. Now, if anything gets dirty, it's the apron, not my clothes. So, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue with what we were doing. I was trying to get some more of the sauce into this because I'm just gonna have to use my fingers, to be honest with you. But as much of the sauce I can get, the better, I think. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. I think that's a decent amount of sauce. I don't want to touch it. Well, you know what? Just go ahead and use my fingers. And yes, I wash my hands. I wash my hands quite a bit when I'm handling food and washing dishes, and my hands end up getting really dry, so I have to kind of constantly put lotion on them. Otherwise, they're just way too dry. So there's a fun fact. I have to wash my hands again. So let me go ahead and wash my hands, and then I'll continue with this. Okay, so after I've poured all the contents into the tray, I have to cover it with a paper towel. Before I cover it, I'm going to go ahead and take a fork and just, I guess, make it a little more, like, spread it out, and so maybe the heat will distribute to it and mix it out and stuff. So let's just go ahead and do that. I think that's good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'll go ahead and grab a paper towel and put it over. Okay. So I think this is fine. And then after I've covered it with the paper towel, I have to microwave it on high for 2 minutes. Okay, so now that I have microwaved it for the 2 minutes, I have to stir the contents and microwave it covered for 30 more seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so my video got interrupted, but now I'm going to mix this all together. And just mix it. And then while this one warms up for the 30 seconds, and while I let it stand for 30 seconds, I'll also go ahead and warm up the buns. So I'll do that too. But I think that's good enough to mix it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the buns onto here. So I'm making for my mom, myself. I think I told my boyfriend that I wanted him to try on. You want to try one, Nathan? And so just for like 3 people, to be honest with you. So my mom, my boyfriend, and myself. So I'm going to let that heat up for a little bit. Take out the beef. Just moved it a little. Take out the beef. And then let it stand for 30 seconds. I'm just gonna let it hang out for 30 seconds uncovered. So here it is uncovered, just letting it stand for 30 seconds uncovered so it can cool down. And then I'm also gonna grab some mayo because I like mayo. I like mayo on my bread. I think my mom likes mayo. I'll put mayo on hers. I'm pretty sure she does like mayo. My boyfriend doesn't like mayo, so. My dog is barking a lot right now, and it's not really that fun. But I think I'm going to I'll put the mayo after it's been heated up, actually. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the buns on, and then put the mayo afterwards. So I think I'll make myself 2 because this is kind of like the lunch and there's only 2. They're tiny little bun things, so I'm going to make myself 2. My mom can, there's enough for my mom to make a little later. And I'll maybe make some extra for my boyfriend just in case he does like it. So there are all the buns. They've all been placed. And now while those warm up, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think while those warm up, I'm just going to organize my room. So yeah, I'll let those warm up for a few minutes by themselves and then deal with them. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and flip the buns over. Flip them all over. They're starting to get pretty crispy. My dog keeps barking. I let him go out just right in front of the door, just so he could see that no one was there or whoever came left. But he just wants to keep barking, unfortunately, and it's disrupting my video, kind of. So yeah, I think I already took the mayo out. Yes, I already took the mayo out. I'm gonna let the buns warm up on the other side just for a little bit. I swear I just saw him. Oh, he's by my mom. My mom's taking a nap, but he's by the door of where she was taking a nap. So while these buns warm up for a few more seconds, I'll go ahead and prepare them. I just remembered I don't want to forget about the coleslaw. So what I'll do is put the coleslaw into just this bowl, this plastic bowl. And excuse it, it's pretty old. We've had it for a while. We probably need new ones soon. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put the coleslaw into that plastic bowl. So yeah. Okay, so I'm dumping all the coleslaw. Oh look, there's a packet. But I'm dumping all the coleslaw into this. Oops. Some of it spilled. That's okay. I turned off the buns too, so I should probably start preparing them. But there's all the coleslaw. See, it came with some sweet, what? Almost. I'm almost done. Okay, so I think I might go ahead and put the dressing on this. This with a creamy sweet dressing, and I think just to make it not so dry, I'll go ahead and put the dressing and mix it around. Okay, so now that I've poured the sauce, I'll go ahead and mix it around. And to mix it around, I'm going to put this on a time lapse. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, the dressing has vinegar and it smells bad, and I don't like the smell of vinegar, but that's okay. That's okay for now. Oh well. I'm pretty sure it won't taste like that bad once with everything once it's all put. Okay, so I'm going to start with the mayo. Grab a knife, a little butter knife, and then go ahead and put the mayo onto the buns. Okay, so there's those buns. Now after we've gotten those buns, I'll go ahead and start preparing these ones. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's see, this is the bottom. And this is the bottom. Okay, so these two are bottoms. I don't know if you can see them both. Let me try and angle it out of the way where you can see. Oops. So this one's the bottom, and then this one's the bottom. So we'll go ahead and prepare that one, and then grab my fork and just. Now I'm not going to put a lot because they're mini. So this is the bottom. Okay, so there's that part. Now let's go ahead and put the salad on. Let's go ahead and put the salad on. Okay, I'm not going to put too much salad, just like I didn't put too much of the brisket. So there's just some salad on here. And then some on here. And then go ahead and cover them with the top bun. Crap. Okay, I forgot about the buns that were warming up, but luckily it was low enough that nothing was getting burnt. So there's two of them. Let's go ahead and make the other two.
The car.
Go.
Why do I?
So here they all are. This is my mom's with the coleslaw, mayo, and the beef brisket. Here's my boyfriend's, which is, it's plain, no mayo, just the beef. And then mine with coleslaw, beef, and mayo. So they actually look pretty good. I can't wait to try them and do a taste test for you guys. Okay, so I have to do a taste test now, which is something that I'm supposed to be doing when I make these Cooking with Val videos. So let's go ahead and take a bite out of this one. They're laughing at me. Okay, so to be honest with you, because the coleslaw smelled like, I didn't like the smell of the salad dressing because it kind of smelled like vinegar. You don't really taste it much because of the barbecue. It kind of overpowers the vinegar taste of the dressing, which I really love, and I think it tastes really, really good. So yeah. That's actually really good, and I'm glad I made this because if I hadn't, then, well, I wouldn't know what the next video to make for my Cooking with Val's. But that's the end of this video. So if you guys decide to make this, then go ahead and comment that down below. And to see more of my Cooking with Val's or more of my videos, subscribe, like this video if you liked what I made today, and to subscribe to my vlog channel. I think the cards are on this side. I always forget which side, but I'm pretty sure it's on this side. So to subscribe to my vlog channel, you can I'll have a card right here, and it'll also be linked down below. So bye everyone.